Yo, what's up everybody? Let me tell you, we're about to drop some serious knowledge on you today. Did you know that over 6 million tons of coffee grounds end up in landfills every year? That's insane! We're talking mountains of perfectly good coffee just going to waste. Now, I know what you're thinking, Ron. What else am I supposed to do with them after I brew my morning coffee? Well, my friend, get ready to have your mind blown because those used coffee grounds are a gold mine of potential just waiting to be unlocked. We're talking about repurposing them in ways you've never even imagined. So buckle up, grab your coffee mugs, empty ones, we're done brewing, and get ready to learn about the incredible world of coffee ground hacks that will not only save you money, but also help the environment. Let's do this. First up on our journey to coffee ground mastery, we're talking about everyone's favorite green activity, gardening. That's right, those used coffee grounds you thought were destined for the trash are actually like a magical elixir for your plants. See, coffee grounds are packed with nitrogen, which is like the protein shake your plants need to grow big and strong. And it's not just nitrogen, we're talking about a whole buffet of nutrients like potassium and phosphorus that your plants are going to go crazy for. Think of it like giving your garden a gourmet meal, all from something you were about to throw away. Now, you don't want to just dump a whole bucket of coffee grounds on your prize-winning roses, that's a bit too much of a good thing. The key here is moderation. Just sprinkle a thin layer of coffee grounds around the base of your plants and gently work it into the soil. You can do this once a month or so and watch your garden flourish like never before. Your plants will be thanking you, the environment will be thanking you, and your wallet will be thanking you because you're not buying expensive fertilizers anymore. It's a win-win-win. Alright, let's face it, nobody likes bad smells. Whether it's a funky fridge, stinky shoes, or that weird odor in the back of your car, we've all been there. But fear not, my odor-hating friends, because coffee grounds are here to save the day. Remember how we talked about coffee grounds being like little nutrient bombs? Well, those same properties that make them great for plants also make them amazing at absorbing and neutralizing odors. Think of them like tiny odor-eating ninjas, silently eliminating bad smells wherever they lurk. So, how do you unleash these odor-fighting ninjas? It's super easy. For your fridge, just put a bowl of dried coffee grounds in the back, and let them work their magic. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the grounds for an extra burst of freshness. Got smelly shoes? No problem. Just sprinkle some coffee grounds inside, give them a little shake, and let them sit overnight. The coffee grounds will absorb the odor, leaving your shoes smelling fresh and clean. And for that mysterious car smell, just put a small open container of coffee grounds under the seat. Your car will be smelling like a freshly brewed dream in no time. Who knew something so simple could be so effective? Alright, it's time to talk about something near and dear to all of our hearts. Self-care. That's right, we're taking coffee grounds from the garden and the fridge straight to the spa because these little wonders are also incredible for your skin. Forget those expensive exfoliating scrubs, we're going au naturel with coffee grounds. The coarse texture of coffee grounds makes them the perfect natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and revealing the radiant skin underneath. And the best part? Coffee is packed with antioxidants, which are like little superheroes that fight off damage from pollution and the sun. So, how do you incorporate this magic into your skincare routine? Easy peasy. Just mix some used coffee grounds with a little bit of coconut oil or honey to create a paste. Gently massage this paste onto your face and body in circular motions. Then rinse it off with warm water. Your skin will be left feeling soft, smooth, and glowing. You'll be wondering why you ever spent money on fancy skincare products in the first place. Chapter 4. Pests beware. Coffee grounds are coming for you. We've covered a lot of ground today, pun intended, but we're not done yet. Next up, we're going back to the garden to tackle a problem that plagues every gardener pests. Those pesky little critters can wreak havoc on your plants, but guess what? Coffee grounds are here to save the day once again. See, those same strong smells that we humans love about coffee are actually super unpleasant to a lot of insects and critters. Think of coffee grounds as creating an invisible force field around your plants, repelling those unwanted visitors. So how do you deploy this secret weapon? It's simple. Just sprinkle a barrier of coffee grounds around the base of your plants, creating a no-go zone for slugs, snails, ants, and other creepy crawlies. You can also mix coffee grounds into the soil to deter cutworms and other soil-dwelling pests. your plants will be thanking you, and you'll be free to enjoy your garden without worrying about those pesky invaders. Alright folks, get ready for this one because I'm about to blow your mind. We've used coffee grounds to fertilize our plants, deodorize our homes, and even pamper our skin. But did you know that they can also clean your house? Yep, you heard that right. Those used coffee grounds you thought were destined for the trash can actually make your pots and pans sparkle like new. The abrasive texture of coffee grounds acts as a natural scouring agent, scrubbing away stubborn grime and grease without scratching your cookware. Plus, the natural oils in coffee help to lift away dirt and stains, leaving your kitchen sparkling clean. To unleash the cleaning power of coffee grounds, just sprinkle some onto a sponge or directly onto the surface you want to clean. Scrub as usual, then rinse thoroughly with water. You can use this trick on pots, pans, sinks, stovetops, and even your grill. Your kitchen will be spotless, and you'll be amazed at the cleaning power of this humble ingredient. Alright, for our final coffee ground hack, we're getting creative. Get ready to unleash your inner artist because we're about to transform those used coffee grounds into a natural dye for fabrics. That's right, you can ditch those harsh chemical dyes and embrace the beauty of natural coloring with coffee. Coffee grounds create a beautiful range of earthy tones, from light beige to rich browns depending on the concentration and steeping time. It's like having a natural paintbrush at your fingertips. So how do you transform your old t-shirt into a work of art? First, you'll need to create a dye bath by simmering used coffee grounds in water for a few hours. The longer you simmer, the darker the dye will be. Once your dye bath is ready, strain out the coffee grounds and soak your fabric in the dye for several hours or even overnight. After soaking, rinse the fabric thoroughly with cold water until the water runs clear. Then, toss it in the washing machine on a gentle cycle with a mild detergent. Voila! You've just upcycled your old clothes with a beautiful natural dye, all thanks to the magic of coffee grounds. Can you believe all of that? We've gone from thinking about coffee grounds as trash to realizing they're basically a superhero in disguise. We've seen how they can nourish our gardens, banish bad smells, pamper our skin, repel pests, clean our homes, and even dye our clothes. Who knew something so simple could have so many incredible uses? And the best part is, by repurposing our coffee grounds, we're not only saving money and reducing waste, but we're also helping to protect our planet. It's a win-win for everyone. So, the next time you brew a pot of coffee, don't even think about throwing those precious grounds away. Instead, remember all the amazing things they can do and give them a second life. Your plants, your skin, your home, and the planet will thank you for it. Alright everyone, that's a wrap on today's coffee ground extravaganza. I hope you're as amazed as I am by the versatility and sustainability of this incredible ingredient. Remember, every little bit counts, and by making small changes in our daily lives, like repurposing our coffee grounds, we can make a big difference for our planet. If you enjoyed this video and learned a thing or two about the magic of coffee grounds, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. And hey, while you're at it, why not share this video with your friends and family? Let's spread the coffee ground love and inspire others to live more sustainably. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.